Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to active Firewall on Ubuntu Linux. After installing Ubuntu Linux, by default its Firewall remains in an inactive state. We should active Firewall to prevent unethical access. To perform this practical, open terminal, type sudo ufw status to check the status of Firewall state. The firewall is in inactive state. Type sudo ufw enable to active the firewall. Again, check status of firewall. Now the firewall is in active state. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.